What is Reiki? The word Reiki means universal life energy and is Japanese in origin. It is used as a form of energy healing that was developed by Dr. Mikao Usui in 1922. Usui believed that all living things are connected to each other through universal life force energy, which he called ki. He also believed that all people have this energy within them. His main goal was to help people feel better and relieve stress. Usui discovered that if he placed his hands on his patients while they were lying down, he could send out ki energy to them. He discovered that when he did this, the ki energy would go to the patient and heal him or her. The patient's body would become relaxed and their pain would be reduced. This type of healing is known as Reiki. In order for Usui to learn how to perform this technique, he had to travel to Japan. There he learned from the founder of traditional Japanese medicine, Dr. Doshu. He later taught the technique to several of his students who then taught it to other students. There are now many Reiki practitioners all over the world. Many people have been helped by this type of healing. There are two main types of Reiki: universal life energy Reiki, reverse, and hands-on Reiki, forward. In reverse Reiki, the practitioner places his or her hands on the patient and sends out ki energy. In forward Reiki, the practitioner holds the patient's hands and allows the patient's ki energy to flow into the practitioner. Both techniques are very effective. Reiki is not just a healing technique. It can also be used for relaxation, stress reduction, and spiritual growth. Some people use Reiki as a part of their daily routine. It is often used to help with pain and discomfort associated with illness. It also helps with any emotional problems such as anxiety, depression, and insomnia. If you decide to try Reiki, there are many different ways you can learn to do it. You can learn at a class, through books, or online. There are many different styles of Reiki. If you don't know what kind of Reiki you want to learn, you can ask your instructor for advice. Some people practice Reiki as a way of self-healing. They believe that the ki energy that is being sent out by the practitioner will enter their bodies and help heal themselves. This type of healing is usually done using only one hand, although you can use both hands. It is very effective. Many people have had success using Reiki for pets. They claim that their pets love having the Reiki practitioner rub their bodies. Many people say that after a session with their pet seems to be more playful and happier. This is probably due to the fact that the pet's body has been relieved of some of its tensions. Some people use Reiki to improve their relationships. They claim that their relationships have improved after doing Reiki. It is important to note that Reiki does not cure cancer or any other disease. Reiki is used to help the person who is sick get better faster. It is not meant to replace medical treatment. When you begin learning Reiki, you should first make sure that you understand the theory behind it. Make sure that you understand what the energy is that is being sent out. After that, you should find an instructor and start practicing.